Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Ranalynn Naipo, and for all my new subscribers, aloha and welcome. So if you went ahead and read the description bar and saw the thumbnail, we are creating a everyday makeup look. I had a lot of my subscribers that wanted to know, can you please go ahead and share with us what your everyday makeup look includes and how do you go ahead and apply it? So we're gonna jump right into applying some of this makeup. So I'm going to be speeding up the film as I'm applying my foundation because I normally take about 5 minutes to go ahead and blend everything out. The foundation that I'm going to be trying today is actually a medium neutral. This is the Amazonian clay stick. This is what it actually looks like. I'm going to be listing all of the items that I'm using on my face down in the description bar. So I'm going to be applying this foundation, which I think is a little on the lighter side, on the bridge of my nose. Taking my tart brush right here with my, so I went over with my brush, and then I'm going to go over now with my beauty blender. So now we're going to over with the beauty blender. I'm going to go back with the stick, put a tiny amount right there in the corner of my eye, meaning it gives me pretty good coverage on the bridge of my nose and on my chin, and a little bit more on the sides of my cheeks. I'm going to blend that in and use that actually as a concealer. So now we have our concealer on. So after we got our foundation and our concealer on, my finishing pressed powder from NYX, I'm going to give it a light dusting, and then I'm going to go over with my CoverGirl pressed powder. So I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl pressed powder and with my IT Cosmetic brush in a circular motion go over my whole face, giving it a good buffing, mixing my foundation with the pressed powder from NYX and CoverGirl. We're going to be putting on my eyebrows. This is from CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker. The color is actually in Midnight Brown. This is what the pencil actually looks like. It comes with a clear cap. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and I'll be right back. So now that we got our eyebrows on, we're going to be doing a little bit of contouring. We're going to be using my Wet n Wild. This is their contour palette. We're going to be chiseling along the edge of my cheekbones here, along my chin, along my nose, and giving just a little bit of light above my brow bone. Then I'm going to take that same IT Cosmetic brush and blending that all in. We're going to be taking a angled brush like this one here, dipping into the darker color, putting a line on both sides of my cheek because I'm going to be blending that in after with my IT Cosmetic brush, along my chin, on the side of my nose, taking the lighter color on my chin, and actually on the top of my brow bone right there. Then we're going to be taking our IT Cosmetic brush that we used with the powder, using the same brush and blending those contour colors out. Just giving a little bit of contouring onto my face, but not that much. So being that we're keeping this makeup look very easy, I'm going to be gravitating towards my Essence Matte and Shimmer eyeshadow palette from Jouer. I'm going to be mixing this color right here along with an angled brush, run that above my lash line and along the edge here, just to give a little bit of dimension to my eye. Now taking the color and running it along here and bringing it only halfway down. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye. And running the same color down the sides and only bringing it halfway down. There we go. Making sure we're blending everything really well. We want just a light wash of color. So what we're going to do is keep it very simple by gravitating back to this palette, mixing this shimmer color with this peach color right here and putting that in the center of my lids. I want to go back again into the palette and give the center of my eye just a little bit more of a slight shimmer. and then lightly go over and blend that in. So now for lashes, I'm going to go over with 2 coats of my Clinique and my 3D Fiber Lash. I'm going to take my Pixie eyeliner, line my eyes, and I'll be right back. So I got my mascara on and my eyeliner from Pixie. We're going to jump directly into lips using my NYX lip liner. So being that I don't wear a neutral lip on my channel, I'm going to be gravitating towards my dual-ended Day to Night lipstick from e.l.f. It comes in 2 separate colors. Let me go ahead and swatch each of the colors for you. This is the much lighter color, very, very neutral. But if I mix that with the darker color and I blend these 2 colors together, I'm actually going to come out with a nice, beautiful color. So we're going to be taking the ColourPop eyeshadow and with a lipstick brush, dipping that right into the center, going over the center of my lips and then blotting it. We're going to be blotting my lips. Just taking any excess so it doesn't end up on my teeth. We're going to put on a pair of earrings and we are done. So I hope that you had as much fun as I did as I went ahead and shared with you what my everyday makeup look is. So my name is Ranalynn Naipo. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell because that's what's going to keep you abreast of any of the videos that I decide to go ahead and upload on a weekly basis. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ranalynn Naipo. Aloha. Bye-bye, guys. Happy Wednesday.